Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Everyone, my name is Bizzy Fatah. Inshallah, in this occasion, I want to give a presentation or introduction into my portfolio in New York High School, Indian boarding school. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the cover of the portfolio that says the title of the book, that is portfolio, and also there is my name and the period of the experience or the project. The next thing is the list of contents. For the list of contents, you can see here there is around 10. The first introduction, there is CV, the third is game projects, the fourth is website projects, the five is creative projects, the six is multimedia projects, 7 is Android projects, 8 is English project, 9 is Java project, and lastly number 10 is experience and also achievement. Okay, so the first in the list of content is the introduction. In here you can see the picture, my name, and also a short introduction about me. So you can see here, man, in the short introduction I said that I was from Balikpapan, and also I have my birthday in the short introduction. And then the next, what you can see in the portfolio book is the curriculum vitae or CV. Okay, so for the CV, you can see the title in the page. Look at this, curriculum vitae, and then there is also my picture, my name, and there is also my contact. As you can see here, in the contact section, you can see the WhatsApp number, my email, my LinkedIn, and also my Instagram. And then in the beside there is also the experience section. In here you can see where I teach, I am teaching like here. And then this also tells which competition did I join when I was in high school. And then lastly there is the software skill section. As you can see, there is 4 categories like designing and development, web development, and also animation. And you can see my skill in here. Okay, so for the first thing, introduction of the project is the game project that I made in SMP IDM boarding school in year 2023 until 2026. So this is, I will show you in the portfolio 5 base project. So for the game project there is 5 also, the base project. The first is Defender. So the Defender is a game where you have to defend your base from the enemy that will attack your base by using a gun that will shoot a bullet. As you can see, this is the format. There is the title of the section, and there is also the picture of the game. There is the name of the game, and there is also a showcase where the game was made, or what software the game was made in. And there is also the short explanation about the game. Okay. So for the next one is the adab game. So the adab game is like a game that show you the adab or the ethic before sleeping. Before sleeping, you can click the next button to see the next adab. And then the third best project in my opinion for game is Take Me Out. So Take Me Out is a game where there is a character, and the character, the story was stuck in some obstacle, and you have to help the character to escape from the obstacle to win the game. And then there is also Running Ball, the fourth best project in my opinion for game, that is Running Ball. And Running Ball was made in Build Box, and the game was about a jumping ball, and you have to make sure that the ball can jump and go through all the obstacles that was on the game. Example like the falling tiles, and there is also the spike that will destroy the ball if get touched. And then the fifth or the last best project for game is Switching Ball. Switching Ball is also same. It was made in Build Box, and the game is about a ball that will go, and you have to switch the ball direction and make the ball reach into the finish line. And then the next thing and the next section is the website projects. As you can see here, website projects that I made in SMP IDN Boarding School 2023 up to 2026. Okay, so the first website project that is my personal website. So the personal website is a website that when you visit you can see anything about me, like my introduction, you can see my achievement, you can see my projects, and many more things. And this website was made in WordPress, especially using Elementor. The next one is a Moz website. As you can see, this is the first view of the website. So this is the second website project in IDN in 7th grade. Same, this is also made in WordPress using Elementor. And then there is also my Ujiko website. So this is a website in the Ujiko of 7th grade. We are tasked to create a website about a website that shop or a website that sells plants. And it was also made in WordPress, especially Elementor. And then the next is a game website. So the game website is a website that I made in 9th grade when doing the final project. So the game website, if you visit it, you can see a game that I made in final project in 9th grade. So the game name is Trash Days. So in here, in the website, you can see how to play Trash Days, and you can also download the game to the website. And the last project is the school website. The school website is also made in 8th grade, in 7th grade, semester 2. And this website is a website that I made in Google Site. Next, there is IoT project that I made in SMP IDN Boarding School. So for the best project in IoT, the first, in my opinion, is the weather station. In here, in this project, we are making a microbit can detect the temperature of room and will show the results in the microbit device. And I was coding the microbit in Microsoft Micro. And then the next is Ichibot line follower. So Ichibot line follower is simply just a robot that follows a line, and we program or code the robot in the robot itself. So we don't need external device. And then the next is Sumo Robot. Sumo Robot, in this project, I just play Sumo Robot and get video for demonstration. And then the next, there is Smart Trash. So Smart Trash is a project where we use microbit also, and we use a sensor. So when the sensor was triggered, the trash will open by itself. And last best project for IoT is making a smart home using ESP32. But for this one, we don't have a device, we just use a software in Powerpoint. And then the next, the best multimedia projects that I made in SMP and University. So the first one is illustration. The illustration, as you can see, this is the view of the illustration. Is the first ever project in 8th grade semester 1, and we made an illustration in Figma by searching for a picture in the internet and then putting it into Figma and illustrate it to make it a vector like this. And then the next is Bigo poster, where I made a poster about karate. As you can see, there is the description, there is the discount, there is also the price of the macarate. The next is advertisement poster. This is the second project in 8th grade semester 1. The project is about making food advertising. You can see here, there is a burger and there is also the discount showcase. That is saying 75% off. And then the next one is microblog. The next is microblog. The microblog is, you can see here, you can put it in Instagram and make it like a short info. And then the next is mockup design, where I vectorize the design right here and putting it in Photoshop to make a shape design. And then the next is Android project, so I made a lot of application right here. There's Garmin app, Find app, Calculator app, Calculator app, Pitaqua app, and many more. And there's also in this project where I made maybe like a storytelling, I make a podcast, I make a short movie, and many more. In the project, it's simple. I just made a lot of poster, a lot of mind map, and also a lot of infographic like this. A lot of download poster that I made on the mind map, and many more. And then the next is achievement. You can see the achievement right here. I have a silver certificate. I get also the best English student, and many more. And then the lastly is the experience. The experience in here I put like my experience being a webinar speaker, become the host, become part of OSIS, doing the Mission Impossible, joining the EduRes, joining the leadership training, and then also joining a lot of IDG. And maybe that's all for the presentation or introduction of my portfolio, and I hope this can be useful for you all. And then in the last page, I closing. There is the title closing, and there is also a short text saying about how grateful I am to finish the school. Alhamdulillah. And that's all for me. Thank you very much for watching until the end. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.